Uh, Mohan, introduce yourself, like what you are and where you are from and what you are studying, like these things.
Myself Mohan. I'm from Tirupati. I'm studying in Siddhartha Educational Academy group of institutions, third year, second sem, BTech, and I have sibling named Vasanti. She is studying CMA Intermediate in Emeralds College, and my hobbies are playing cricket, programming, etc.
Oh, okay. Where you are skilled high, like in which programming language and what you know about the technology.
I have skilled in Python and machine learning at somewhat, and I know the basic languages like C and Java, C, Java, etc.
Hmm.
Only moderate level.
Hmm. Okay, great. And from how many years of experience you are in like Python?
I had 2 years experience, but 1 year lag. I mean drop in Python.
Oh, okay, great.
And I have
Hmm.
AWS experience for last 1 year,
Hmm.
but I didn't mention in resume because it was the resume was prepared at old.
Oh, okay. It was not the latest one. Okay, great. Uh, from like which year? Are you a student or the like you are a experienced guy?
Uh,
You are in job.
I'm student from 2018 to 2022 batch.
Okay, great. Great, Mohan. Let's start the interview process actually.
Okay.
The process will be like the first I will give two questions, two Python questions. You are expert in Python,
Yeah.
and I will take next 4 or 5 questions on Python and also from machine learning basics. I don't go with the advanced techniques also. You have said that I know some machine learning, so it will be like basic questions. I am a data scientist, so I will take only basic, not the advanced things. And later that I will give review of your resume and and I will give feedback for your interview also. What you have done some, if you have done some mistakes, I will rectify that mistakes, and it will be very helpful in future interviews. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's start our interview. Okay. First of all, will you share me share your screen like ID? If you don't have any ID, you can use online one also. Online IDs.
ID,
Yes.
I mean collab.
Collab or anything. It's your wish.
Yeah, it's sharing.
Hmm. Yeah, I can see myself. Uh, can you make the screen like large, somewhat big?
Okay, it's
Uh,
fine.
it's like okay, full screen. It's good now. Okay, Mohan, I'm going to give my first question. My first question is try to print odd and even numbers. Okay. Write the question on the in the comments. Okay, multi-line comment. Write a question on multi-line comment. Mohan, first of all,
Yeah.
write the question. Write the question. Okay, don't go directly into the coding. Don't be hurry. Be cool and think slowly. And I will give some amount of time, good amount of time for 50 minutes. I will give 15 minutes for the code. And if you complete it before, I will go with the next question. Okay, don't be hurry. Be cool. And first of all, write the question. Okay, what question I am asking means print even numbers or odd numbers from the range 0 to 100. Great. Okay. By seeing this question, have you generated any algorithm in your brain? Like, do you have got? Try to keep in comments. Okay. Don't run the code. First of all, keep everything in comments.
Uh,
Okay. Keep in comments.
just confused. Okay, fine.
Comment. You know that control forward slash control forward slash for the comment.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, try, after seeing this question, have you built like any algorithm in your brain? How to create this algorithm? Just write what you have got in your brain on this IDE by creating comments. Okay. By creating comments, write that thing. What you have got in your brain. The steps. The steps, first creating the function, later doing something, second, third doing something, fourth doing something, fifth time
All,
getting the
right. All I have to write is in the comments.
yeah, you need to write that step by step. What you are going to write in program, you need to write in normal words also. You can say that is as an algorithm. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. What time I have started it? Mohan, one thing, you are going to complete your time by 12:52. Now 12:39. You need to write this code by 12:52.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Can I start the code too?
Yeah, start the code writing in the function. Okay, don't write directly. Start
Writing
writing in function. Okay.
in the sense.
Functions, use function. Yeah, you need to use functions. Don't go directly for loop and print in the something. Okay. If you're stuck, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me anything. If you need any help also.
Yeah, I have a doubt that we should print every number or we should give the input.
Yeah, you should print every number. Okay. Yes, it's correct. Okay. What you are doing is correct. Yeah. Continue writing.
Give me a second. I just need to charge my phone or laptop.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine.
You need to print a number. Where's the number? I think I haven't seen any number. Try to print a number.
1 second. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, good. And now I'm going to ask another question. Keep it. Same prime number. That what is that last one? None. Why you are printing the none? I know why you are printing the none.
No, last NO.
No, not NO. Go to the last after 100. Go to 100. Print. Okay. Yeah. Below that there is a none. Why
Okay.
printing it? What is the reason behind that?
I think I have to. I didn't print the none.
Okay.
Let me try to fix it.
Okay. There is only 5 minutes more. Try to complete it. Try to debug
Okay.
what exactly is going on in that code. And start with the 0, not with 1. Okay. Loop should start with a 0, not with 1.
That's fine.
What is that sound? Okay, still it is getting none. Okay,
Yeah.
I will help you. I will help you, Mohan. Okay, Mohan?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. See, Mohan, what you are doing is printing the function, okay? Remove that print. Go up, go to, oh yeah, print down this last cell, okay? Print,
Yeah.
remove that print. Not that one, okay? Not that one. Go below cell, after that cell, okay? Cell,
Yeah.
not line, cell. Print bracket, okay? Remove that print. Because odd even function is not returning anything, it's returning none, it's not returning anything. Just remove that print, remove that print and run it again. Okay, now you can run it.
Okay.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
the thing what you have done the wrong
I didn't spend much time in the. Okay, yeah. Even I get zero is an even, zero is an odd. I didn't spend much time in uh, functions, so I got this error and I'm unable to debug it.
yeah, okay, no issue, no issue. What is this again? 0 is even or 0 is odd? How it's possible? I think you are printing once. Remove that if statement. I is equal to 100. Remove that one.
Yeah, okay.
Remove
It's
and run
just,
it again.
I mean, I don't think it will affect the code.
Yeah. But I told what is going on. Okay.
Now it's fine.
Now it's perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Okay. You have done a great job, Mohan. And now I'm going to ask another question. The second question. Ready for the second question? Actually, the first question time is completed. Just go with the second one.
Yeah.
The time is 12:52. Okay. Write a question. Uh, Print the second largest number from the list. Print the second largest from number from the list, and print the second smallest number from the list in the same question. Okay. Then multiply both the numbers and return the value. If you need any example for this, I will definitely help you on that.
Multiple.
Multiple the both the smallest and largest numbers, like the two numbers, second largest number, second smallest number. Multiply that both and return the value and return that value. Okay. Use the functions. Okay. Return, not return function. Return. Yes, exactly. Okay, take your time and think for the solution and get back and write the same on the comments. Okay, what you are going to do, how you are going to find that. The array will be like jumbled. Like I will create that array and I will send you on chat and just copy it on the that and try to create that. Okay, I am creating that
Yeah.
and for that create a steps for that. I have shared the array also in your chat. Please go through the chat and copy and paste that array to here, and later that continue your process. Okay, continue with the algorithm also. Eight. Okay. I will ask you at 110. Okay, I'm giving 18 minutes time for this question. Okay, I will ask you at 110 exactly.
Am I visible?
Yeah, everything is visible.
I mean, I changed the position of the lid.
Okay. Just copy it and paste it here.
Should I complete the total code in the same block, or can I use other blocks?
Anything. You can do anyhow. You can create a modules also if you like to create.
Okay.
You can explain me while you are doing also. You can explain me. Suppose you are creating a multiply function. Sorry, I'm creating a multiply function. I'm using this array like this. You can explain me also.
Okay. I'm using max length, I mean max variable to get the maximum. I have forgot to start the array. And get sorted. Fine. Okay, fine. Max. I have popped the max and min values of the sorted array, and now getting the second values as our question required.
Oh,
So by
okay, great. If you need help, you can ask me, okay? If you need help.
could you help me with the pop one?
Yeah, exactly. What is the pop? Pop means will pop the last value, okay? It will
Uh,
be mostly used for the queues, okay?
okay, then I
Then now
re-
there is no, we can't use here. Try to use the remove function, okay? Use the remove function first.
I got the idea, but I thought the pop would be nice. So
No. Go to remove. Remove is a great idea for this. Let's try now. Okay, got it. You got it, okay?
yeah,
And try to print the array, okay? Before that, pop of min and max, like removing the min and max before that line. Try to print the array because I need to check it, okay? You are getting right or wrong. Print an array, okay? At that place. Okay, 5 into 54. 5 for the 25, 5 for the 25. Okay, 270. Okay, good. Yeah, you got it. You had a great job on this. Mohan, let's
yeah.
go deep into your code and why you are using import math. Okay, it will be slow down your program. Just remove that one. No use of that thing. Okay,
Which one?
and import math module.
Okay,
You
I
haven't
just
used.
during some mathematical functions, commonly we import math or panda, etc.
Yeah.
I thought to use panda, but I have a doubt that we should use for math or not. I mean, so I just imported math. It would be
Okay. Yeah, nice. Okay, you have done great actually. and remove that one and make it like I'm going to ask some more question like can you make it to optimized like we are having there are so many functions like so many calculations we are
Yeah,
using. See here what we are doing, we are sorting first, that is one function, okay, and
yeah,
second function is min, finding the min and max value. There are, we are using two functions, two
yeah,
inbuilt functions. At now we are at three functions and then we are using remove function, that is two times. Now it is seven functions we are using. Now we came back to 9 functions we are using. After using this many functions, if I take large amount of data, it will be very trouble to me. Okay, I'm just asking after sorted. I'm asking just the second number from first to second number and last to second number. So, is there any way to reduce everything every after the sorting? Remove like you can reduce any code like optimized way to make it faster than before. Oh,
uh,
like
let
faster
me.
than now.
Okay.
Mohan, I will help you again. Do you know
Yeah.
slicing? Slicing.
No.
No, don't you don't know about slicing, okay? Try to print array second value from the array, like our array from starting from the zero. Try to print the first index. Print arr in square bracket. Print first index, okay? Remove this code, remove everything, and print first index from the arr of bracket square bracket first index. And not everything, okay? Up to from remove to down. You need to sort the code, okay, that we need that one. I am asking to remove from a remove function, okay, from there, from remove function you remove
From
everything,
here.
from there, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now return return arr in square brackets 1, that asterisk symbol, multiply symbol, asterisk symbol, next further, next, no, out of the square bracket, that was
Oh,
asterisk
okay.
symbol.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Got it.
Yeah,
Uh,
use -2 in the bracket. ARR -2. ARR.
yeah.
Okay, this is the slicing. Okay, this is not, there should be ARR. ARR.
Sorry, I think it's error.
And second time also you need to use asterisk, you need to use ARR at this place also. Okay. And this is the somewhat optimized code because you haven't used any functions, like there are 9 functions before. Now we don't have any 9 functions. Okay. Have you
Yeah.
got it? That is the
Yeah.
static one. This is not at the dynamic. Okay. Every time it is not going to change because I'm just asking you to find the second largest number and the second largest number, second smallest number. So it will be like this. Okay. It will be static and the faster than the before. Okay.
Okay.
And great, Mohan. Great. What you have done is very great. And yeah, it's enough for us. Okay, let's move
Okay.
into some questions like, are you good in OOPS language? OOPS, like OOPS, Python OOPS.
Python oops, I have a little idea, but not great.
But not great. Okay, let's
Yeah.
move into some machine learning stuff. I will ask just what is supervised and what is unsupervised learning.
Supervised is a ordered data, but
Hmm.
where unsupervised is unordered data. I mean, there would be no tags or no such numbered to the data. It was
Hmm.
random for the unsupervised.
Okay, okay. Uh, in Python, okay, in
Yeah.
Python. Do you know there will be some data types in Python? Okay, actually there
Yeah.
will be some data types. Can you say me what are the data types in Python?
Sorry.
Data types in Python.
Uh, I'm unable to recall it.
Okay, great. Okay, no issue for that. Let's move into the next question. Can you say the difference between mutable and immutable?
Yeah, mutable, which we can change in the list or list, but where unmutable, we can't change the list once we entered. It is also called as tuple.
Okay. What are the lists? What are the mutable data types and immutable data types?
Mutable data types like list, array, uh, and immutable are tuple.
Okay, okay, Mohan. That's great. Is there any projects you have done on? Have done any projects like on this? Any projects
I mean, on which I mean
on
on which
Python
on
machine?
I have on machine learning. I have done the project like law project actually.
Um,
Basically, 1 year before I have started with Python. I mean, 2 years before. Sorry.
mm,
I have started with Python. On that time, I got a project with my friend support, like a law project, which we analysis the data of last 20 years of cases which were solved in court, Indian as per Indian law. So
mm.
we have sought I mean, we have trained the total data with the machine learning, and finally, the machine learning is going to result the output for the new cases. Like, yeah, of course, you have an idea about how the machine learning works. So
Yeah.
uh, we are going to train the old cases, and we are going to give some new cases. By that, the machine learning is going to judge whether uh, the petition, I mean, the case was correct or wrong, or it was correct on which IPC sections the case would be judged. Like that, the project would be.
Oh,
We thought to submit the project to IEEE, but it was a big failure. Sorry.
no issue. You can do in future. Let me share my screen. I will just review your resume.
Yeah. Can I show?
Yeah, you can see my
Can
screen now.
yeah. No,
You can see my
not
screen.
yet. Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay, see here, Mohan, try to add some more links to your LinkedIn and GitHub. Okay, add your
Yeah.
links of your LinkedIn and GitHub. Very important. Like it should be if you are sharing with me PDF, it should be like link structure, not like
I
directly. It
think
should be
I have
link.
a workshop in class.
Oh, no issue. I'm just helping you to get out of this. If you are
Yeah.
from computer science and engineering, you write your some CGP and specialization also. Try to
Yeah.
maintain some decorum, like create a box or some good structure for this. Okay, not
Okay.
like one by one. Like it's not should be like a sequence way. It should be like a some structured way. Okay, and
Okay.
it is very good. And now you came into the mini projects. Just you explain just what is your project, okay?
Okay.
What technologies you have used in this project, okay? Description, travel chatbots, used to book tickets, okay? What you have used and how you have used, okay? Some explanation, make some explanation, one paragraph minimum with 2 or 3 lines, okay? This project is going to do these things, this project is going to these things. Suppose the user came to the chatbot and he is asking, please book a ticket for my next flight, okay? Like that,
Okay.
okay? Give some good example also. They can easily understand. Now, law project. You have done some law project using machine learning. Machine learning is good technology. So if they
Yeah.
need to know what exact project you have done, which algorithm you have used, they need to know. Then just keep there. Just I have used this algorithm to solve this problem. This problem is used to solve this type of issues because some company is searching for the same type of issue. but you have written only the automation judgment, some basis of IPC sections. Okay, when the HR is searching for the project, he don't know the exact things what is happening in your project, but the heading will be different. You know, the headings, the project names may be different, but
Yeah.
the things what is going back and is will be maybe same, or maybe it may be like approximate to your project, like accurate to your project. Then,
Okay.
if you explain something about your project, the HR or some data scientist or some machine learning guy, we can understand what you have done. Oh, this project is like same as our project, so let's go to this guy and we can take interview of him. Okay, try to create some more good projects. Okay, you have done great projects actually. That is a great thing. Great idea also. Like achievements and everything is good. And technical skills. Okay, don't leave like this. Okay, if you are writing programming languages, Python, up to where you know, up to where you know. Suppose Mohan, I don't know up to where. If I am taking real interview, I am not gonna. I am not gonna leave you live like this. Okay, I will just ask. I don't ask Mohan. Do you know ops or not? I will ask just oops question. What is the uh, self variable will do in the function? Okay, what exactly the self variables where a thing is going to do in the class, like this. Okay, what is the constructor class? What is the I will ask some more questions. Like I will go deep into the oops language and I will ask the questions. And if you are not saying anything for me, I will think, oh, Mohan is not fit for this position. Okay, I will go like this. If you have written something like I know up to for loop, I know I'm good in for loops, I'm good in some statements, like I'm good up to functions. I'm not aware of oops, and I know if you know something in oops, like something in oops, you can write that things. Okay, I know how to create the classes and know how to do things, but I don't know how to create the modules and inheritance things like that. Okay, you don't want to write the things. You what you know right here. Okay, next familiar ideas. Okay, this is good, and operating systems. This is good, and DBMS. Same thing will be applied on DBMS also. Up to where you know, not the basics. Basics means what basics? He can't understand exactly. Okay, try to improve that. Okay, try to improve. I know up to the
If basic
joint.
of SQL is not nice, what would be the correct one to place?
For where basics of SQL. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm saying about that only. Suppose you know basic functions like you know up to joints, okay? You know up to
Yeah.
joints. You have learned up to joints, but you don't know about window functions. Huh?
Yeah.
They will be somewhat advanced SQL. Like in advanced SQL, you don't know about window functions. Then right, I know joins. I know that aggregate functions. I know group by like this. Just add some more line. Just add some more line. I have learned this in my college. I have learned
Description.
this thing. This in yeah. You need to keep the description as like as what you have done here. Okay. Okay. You are having
From
description in your
last,
project.
actually, I planned this resume based on my sister's suggestion, who is
Hmm.
working as from last 3 years. She explained that it would be not nice if it was descriptive, so he won't read all the stuff. So maintain it very simple level. So that's why I just made it very simple without any descriptive format.
But while you are going through interview, they may ask more than what you know.
Okay.
Keeping your brain like what I got suggestions from so many guys, like to create like that resume. Like what I'm saying, I got some from the elders, from my elders who are working in some big companies in US. So I got from
Yeah.
them this every suggestion. So I'm explaining for you, and the things are very good. What you have written, everything is fine. Okay, and try to
Uh,
change the projects and skills and all these things. Okay, everything will be good. Mhm. Okay, Mohan. Yeah, this is great interview with you. Okay, yeah.
I
Uh,
have a doubt. Can I
yeah,
ask? I have. I don't have 60% in intermediate, so it would be tough to get chance. I have a low GPA in my intermediate, which it would affect the while cracking a job or. how should I crack a job with that low percentage?
Will not at all effective job, okay? Yes, you're not going to say in inter or 10th class or first class. It is not at all. It is you have that. They will give just like did I ask any uh, from your inter? No, I haven't asked you. Same
Yeah.
thing. Hiring process also, hiring guy also. They don't ask you. They ask you more about the technical things. Okay, they will ask
Yeah.
you they want technical. You should create
Most of the companies making the percentage requirement would be 60, like.
that is not in intermediate. That is in BTech. You need to be in BTech.
Okay.
Which percentage in BTech?
Okay, fine.
Uh, okay, Mohan. Yeah, we have got a great interview, and thanks for attending the mock interview. How do you feel? It is good or helpful?
Yeah, it was very helpful. Like these mock interviews will make us somewhat boost our confidence and let me make our experience too.
Yeah, to the real-time interview. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Be almost similar to real-time interview, so uh, it would be convenient to talk with ourselves, not like not directly to a interviewer. It would be fine to
Mm.
interview ourselves, and it would be a good experience for me, and which boosts our confidence too.
Oh, great, Mohan. Thanks for attending the interview.
Yeah,
And
thanks for making this interview happen.
this video will be on Python Life YouTube channel. If you are
Okay.
if you are okay, we will publish on Python YouTube channel. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh,
So thank you, Mohan.
yeah. Thanks.